Okay. So now if I say clean email, I can test that one as well by giving it this string. It's always good to test your individual clean email to test your components to see if they work. Okay, beautiful. So it cleans that up, no problem. Okay, so now I've got return emails, a clean email, and a clean half. So this refers to this function, and this function refers to this function. And it's passing those values back and forth. So now if I say return emails for strtext1, print return emails strtext1, and I run that, now it returns all the emails, except for one thing. That's a legal character, so my clean email function didn't catch that one. But this is an easy one to catch. So I can go back into my return emails and I can say, well, wait a minute, before I return that, there's one more thing I want to do. I want to ask, does an email, well, actually, it's going to be in my loop here. Before I exit this loop and finish with that word, does my email have a period at the end of it? I can use string slicing to find out if the very last character is a period, right? Because I know this, if I slice that string and use a -1, then it's going to give me that. So if I say strtemp, and I use strtemp for anytime I just have, am I going to have a string that's only going to exist for like a blip in time, because it's just easy to remember. Strtemp, and it won't interfere with this because this, it's already done with it up there. So I'm just going to use it again. Well, here, I'll just, so I don't confuse anybody, I'll call it temp2. Well, actually, I don't even need that yet. Let's just say if str, you know what I'm going to do? Sorry. I'm going to do it inside here before I append it to the array. So right here, I'm going to say, make sure no period at the end. There we go. Before I append it. So let's say if strtemp, and I slice that, starting at -1, so the first part of the slice is the end character. I don't need to put anything else in that slice, equals, period, then strtemp equals strtemp, and I'm going to slice it for real this time and reassign it to the variable. I'm going to say 0, -1. So I'm going to go from index 0 all the way to the second to the last character. And I'm going to take that and put it back in the same bucket. That should take care of it. And then it will hopefully return this Hotmail address without the period. Okay, so let's run it. And it's gone. Okay, so that is how I